Welcome to HSBC London Sevens here at Twickenham Stadium, where this week a world of opportunity awaits a group of young people supported by HSBC UK's partner, BBC Children in Need. There are 1,000,001 careers in and around sports, but before our participants from Burgess Sports, Greenhouse Sports Limited and the London Sports Trust could start learning about them in true athlete style, it was time for a warm-up. HSBC. Things got competitive early, but Alfie certainly fancied his chances. It may be the players that star on the pitch, but it's a cast of thousands of hard-working people that make the HSBC Sevens events happen.
We used cameras, obviously, microphones.
World Rugby kicked off the day with some of their team talking our young people through some of the many opportunities that could be available to them through careers in sport.
We'll all share stories, so we'll start now.
Jobs that might already be in the palm of their hand.
Started off with London Irish.
Sahara jumped at the opportunity to learn more. Well, perhaps maybe cantered towards it.
Go!
Then the group got the opportunity to pick the brains of head of Sevens competitions and tournament director himself.
So I'm going to take you up there in a second where I'm normally stationed.
Before they headed to the media room with Phil. Tables were turned though, as next up it was Tarek giving a masterclass in communication and the perfect execution of a press conference.
Why London?
Why London, you ask, is because we're always prepared.
You stole my question!
HSBC Global Ambassadors Nolly Waterman and Ben Ryan came in for the afternoon session to up the ante.
Right, you've got to sit down, there we go.
Have you done any research into how you can begin that journey?
What drives you? What's your passion?
They had lots to offer the group, from insights into punditry and podcasting.
The HSBC podcast.
Which clearly had them rattled. There's some new pod stars in town.
I think the deepest we've gone is the Mariana Trench.
And what an experience, getting a workshop with an Olympic gold medal winning rugby sevens coach.
You saw it a little bit with the pod stuff there.
And a run around with a Rugby World Cup winner.
Yeah, Canadian, yeah.
The group left the day with signed Sevens jerseys and a taste of the world of opportunity that a career in sport can provide.